So this is part 11 Pro. It also has part 3 written there because part 3 is going to be a mirror image of it. So there's going to be one for each side. So the first thing we're going to do is pick our datum corner. So I'm going to pick the bottom left corner here, which is going to be this on the drawing. First you can see that there's a radius 6 here, so that means 6 high, 6 in from the side. This hole is also up 6, 6. So we can draw a line 6 across there. So I'm going to get the Jenny calipers, set that to 6, draw a line all the way across here. Again, for this line on top here, that's going to be 6 to here, another 6, which will be 12. So I'll set the Jenny calipers to 12, draw a line all the way across here. So I have the center line for the holes here, and I have this top edge done already. From the left here, there's a radius 6, so we're going to measure in 6 for that. So I'll set it back to 6. You're going to draw a line here. So that is going to give you this point here, which can be used to draw this radius. Up here, this has a radius 5, so it's only 5 in from the side. So we'll set the Jenny calipers to 5. We'll draw a line here. Okay. You can see that it's 6 from here to here, plus 9 to there, so 6 and 9 is 15. So we're measuring up 15. So Jenny calipers to 15, and we're drawing a line across here. Okay, so that is going to give me this little mark here. Okay. Now there's a little bit of maths involved here, because from this center of this circle over to this one is 22. So 5 plus 22 is going to be 27. So I'm going to use the ruler this time. I'm going to put the 27 mark in line just with the edge of the workpiece. The side of the ruler flush with the top of the workpiece. Draw a little line here. Just going to use the marker to make it stand out a little bit more. So that's going to be for this hole. So 27, take away 17, leaves 10. So it'll be 10 from here to here. This is radius 5, so the 10 is going to give us this little edge here and that hole. Okay, so again I'll use the ruler. Right, so 10 just on the edge, ruler flush with the side, so it'll give us a little line here and a center mark. So I'll use the blue for the center of the hole, and I'm going to use the green just for that little edge. Okay, I'm also just going to trace over this line that we already have. It's going to be green there for that edge. Okay, what else is left to get? We need this bend line and this hole. So we have 5 plus 22 is 27. 27 plus 24 is 51. So I'm going to get the ruler again. So 51, just at the edge here. The ruler flush the top of the workpiece. Just going to draw a line down here. So the bend line there. So 51 plus 8 is 59. So again, ruler 59. Okay, little line in here. Blue mark. Okay, so all that's left now is to draw a radius 6, a radius 6, and a radius 5. Okay, so I'm just going to get my center punch. So lean the center punch over to the side and up. Center punch over to the side, send up. Center punch over to the side, send up. Again. Okay, so there's all my center punch marks. So I'm going to get my divider. I'm going to set it to 6. So 1 point on the 6, the other out to the end of the ruler. Okay, so what I usually do then is I hold the divider down and I spin the workpiece. There's one radius 6. There's another radius 6. And then this one has to be radius 5. So again, set that to 5, just tighten it in a little bit. Just check that the workpiece will match up with that corner and that side, which it does. So just go back then and draw in that curve. So there we go. So to finish off that then, you're going to have an edge just around here, so all that has to be filed off. All this has to be filed off. And all that has to be filed off. So that's part 2. Part 3 should be made as a mirror image. So it's the exact same measurements, except just upside down. Or you could mark it this way, that they're back to back. Okay, so that's why it has 2 and 3 here. Alright, so all we're doing then is 4 holes drilled, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is there, 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 and there.